Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Channel. I am Emily.
And I am Paul. Hello, friends. How are you today?
I am very good, thank you. And you, Paul?
I am good too. Thank you for asking.
Today, we will talk about movies and music in English.
Yes, this is a very useful topic. Everyone likes movies or music.
Yes, and you can use these words in everyday conversation.
First, let's talk about movies.
A movie is a story you watch on a screen.
For example, I watch a movie every Friday.
Or, I like action movies.
What kind of movies do you like, Emily?
I like comedies. They are funny.
Oh, I like action movies. I like adventure and excitement.
So you can say, I like action movies. I watch movies on Saturday.
Yes, and you can also ask your friends, do you like movies?
Let's repeat. Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies.
No, I do not like movies.
Yesterday, I watched a movie. It was at 7 p.m.
What movie?
It was an action movie. It was very exciting.
That is a good example. You can say the time, the type of movie, and your opinion.
Yes, I watched a movie yesterday. It was fun.
Now, let's talk about music.
Music is very important. We listen to music every day.
For example, I listen to music in the morning.
Or, I like pop music.
I like classical music. It is calm and nice.
And I like rock music. It is loud and energetic.
You can also ask, what kind of music do you like?
Let's repeat slowly. What kind of music do you like?
I like jazz music.
I like pop music.
Very simple. This morning, I listened to music at 8 a.m.
What music?
Classical music. It is very calm.
Good. You can say, I listen to music at 8 a.m.
And you can also say, I listen to music on my way to work.
So, Emily, movies or music? Which do you like more?
I like music more, but sometimes I watch movies.
Me too. I like action movies, but I listen to music every day.
You see, friends, you can use these simple sentences to talk about your hobbies.
Let's repeat the important words.
Movie, action movie, comedy, music, pop, classical, listen, watch.
And important verbs like, watch, listen.
Use them in your sentences every day.
Friends, try to write a small sentence about a movie or music you like.
Yes, write it in the comments. We want to read your sentences.
Thank you for listening to Mr. English Channel.
Yes, thank you. We hope you enjoyed learning English with us.
Don't forget, subscribe, like, and share.
And here is your practice question.
Say this sentence. I watch a movie on blank. Fill the blank with a day of the week.
Great! See you next time.
Bye-bye, friends.
Bye!